you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing Overwatch 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within Overwatch 2. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and effects. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and terminate any programs that are not needed while gaming, freeing up CPU and RAM for Overwatch 2. Step 4. Check for network issues. Stuttering can sometimes be caused by network lag. Ensure your internet connection is stable by using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, and consider running a speed test to check your bandwidth. Step 5. Monitor hardware temperatures. Overheating can lead to performance drops. Use monitoring software to check your CPU and GPU temperatures. If they are too high, consider cleaning your hardware, improving airflow, or reapplying thermal paste. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with Overwatch 2. Enjoy smoother gameplay and better performance.